Welcome to day 2 of my trip. Tomorrow I pick everybody up. I've got one more day on my own here, and I'm over here in Husvoller in South Iceland. I'm not too far away from Vik, a little bit more east of me, about 40 miles, and I'm going to head over that way right now and go to the black sand beach at Reynisfjara and check out Reynisfjara, and I'll take you along for the ride, so let's go. I got no idea what that's about. Here I am. This is the farthest east I'm going to be going on this trip. I'm in Reynisfjara outside of Vik, and you can see Reynisfjara out behind me here in the water. They're standing stones. And man, I came here the first time 22 years ago, and there was nobody at that time, and now it's become quite a tourist destination. And they've got parts here blocked off, and there's stairs built and all kinds of things. But got to do those things when you've got so many people coming like they have here in Iceland. But yeah, this is great. I'm gonna go get my camera and do some work. I hope you liked the shot before there of the rocks out in the flooding at Holtsos. That's a place where I had 20 years ago, one of my earliest trips, I made a pretty significant photograph of mine called Four Swans, Holtsos. I'll show it to you here. But yeah, it was a good time. Good morning, having a great day. It's still misting a little bit, raining a little bit, but it's not too bad. And let's get on with it. Now, hey, I had to come back to the car and get my tripod. I'm taking a million flat water shots here, but I got to do it again, and I'm going to take you down there and I'll show you how I do it. So just let me get my gear here and we'll head back down onto the beach. So basically, when I'm talking about a flat water shot, I'm talking about using one of these, a neutral density filter. You know, you want to get a really long exposure. The thing is, the water is quite turbulent right now, and I don't necessarily want a still image of turbulent water. I'm more interested in creating a pastoral scene, that kind of thing, a more meditative kind of a scene. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this 10-stop neutral density filter on there. The waves are coming up on me right now. It's all right, I made it. Is a 10-stop neutral density filter on it right now, and that'll let me slow the shutter speed way down. So I'll have a nice still image of the rocks and everything here, but everything else in the environment is going to move around it, and the water will come out looking flat. So you'll see what I'm talking about here. I'm going to frame the picture first, and then what I'm going to do is put on the neutral density filter once I've got it framed and focused, and I know what my exposure is, or I know what my image is, because that way, when you're looking through this, you can't see anything. So I'm going to get it set up first right now, and I'm pretty much framed the way I want to right now. And I got some little stones here in the foreground that I like. Got to level up a little bit. And then I'm going to get the filter on here. There we go. Now, ready for an exposure. And the way I'm doing this one right now is I'm going for 15 seconds. And let's see, we're going to go 15 seconds. F20, F22, something like that. So let's go and see what's happening. Here we go. Yeah, so it's basically just letting light in and continuously letting the environment move around in the image while the neutral density filter is on there, and it's building the exposure while everything's moving. And you'll see in a minute, the water will just look almost completely flat, and where the waves are coming in, it'll look almost steamy or smoky or foggy. So let's see what we got here. Yeah, see that? Now I'll put up the finished image for you to see right now, but yeah, I'm going to make a few more exposures on this and maybe change the framing somewhat, but that's basically the idea of doing a quote-unquote flat water shot that I talk about. So yeah, let me get some more here. No way to take photos around here without people anymore. That's the way it goes. Definitely get wet at Skogafoss. Doesn't this make the day? It's been horrible weather. We get close to Reykjavik and we've got some sun, and look what's happening behind me. Wow.